how to use WhatsApp disappearing messages. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through steps on how you can use disappearing messages on WhatsApp. Well, in order to use disappearing messages on WhatsApp, what you can do is you can proceed to first open up your WhatsApp Messenger. Now you can head over to the particular chat, and there are certain ways to use disappearing messages. You can use the view only mode or the view once mode by selecting or taking a picture or a video, and then what you can do is you can select the one icon there, that's it, one under right beside add a caption, and you can proceed to send it in view once mode. So it'll be sent in view once mode, and it'll disappear once the video has been viewed or opened. The other way to enable disappearing mode, the actual disappearing mode, is to head into profile, and then here you'll find disappearing messages. Tap on it and you can set for message timer to be deleted after 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.